11 best house cleaning supplies gift ideas basket as a housewarming gift ideas. Housewarming gift ideas, cleaning product gift basket. What can I put in a gift basket for cleaning? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put together a very simple and easy house cleaning supply as a housewarming gift ideas for a friend or for a family. And let's start right now. So the first thing that I'm going to use as the base to put my cleaning supplies in is going to be this 3 gallons Liebman all-purpose bucket. The reason I chose this is because I use this myself and I know how useful it is. You use this for multiple use, and also it has a measurement in here from 1 gallon, 2 gallons to 3 gallons. So if you want to measure something like a water or even a soil, anything that you want to measure and you don't have the actual measurement, you can use this to make that measurement. So I love this a lot. And it also has a dual pour spout. So this is really good to use as a base to put all my house cleaning supplies in here. We are going to use this bucket, and this is really, really ideal. The next thing that I'm going to add to our cleaning supply basket is going to be detergent. Why? Because this is something that they will use. This is usable. This is something they will always use. It's not going to go to waste. It's not something they will keep somewhere and forget about it. So it is very useful to add things that they will really like or something that they will use. So I'm adding this Tide Simple Clean and Fresh. I use this myself and I know how clean it does to your laundry, whether it's a hand washing or a machine wash. It's really good to use this, so I'm adding this to our housewarming gift idea basket. And just wrap just a little paper around it to make it a little presentable. And the next thing that I'm going to add to this house cleaning gift basket is going to be dish soap. I'm using 2 different kinds. I've used both of this and I know how it works. I'm going with the Gain Ultra Clean. This is grease removal and also contains bleach. It really cleans well your dishes. It makes them sparkle. So I'll add this to it. And then also I'll add the Dawn, and this is the pump on a sponge. So sometimes, maybe they don't want to hold it and pour it. They can just press this and it's very easy for them to use it. So I'll add 2 different kinds. You can use both of them. So I'm adding the Dawn Platinum Foam, which is really good, smells good, have a good smells to your dishes. I mean, it smells good, it cleans well, as the same as the Gain Ultra Clean. So I'm adding both to our cleaning supply basket. So I'm going to wrap this also just a little here, and then we are just going to add this to the bucket, and then the little one too. I'm going to use this. You don't need to cover it all, just around it, and that way it will be showing. So this way and like that. Next thing that I'm going to add to our house cleaning basket is going to be Lysol. Lysol disinfectant is really, really good. Very, very handy. They can use this in their bathroom, clean their bathroom, their kitchen counters and all that. So this is really something that you can add as a cleaning gift ideas to add to your cleaning basket. The next thing that I'm going to add to this is going to be Comet bleach, and this is the lavender smell. I have 3 different flavors of this, and this is one of them that I think they will like. This can be used in their bathroom, their toilet. You can use it to clean your toilet. You can use this to clean your pan, the bent bottom of your pan. You can use this to clean your countertop, your sink. They can use this to clean their bathtub itself. It's really, really multi-purpose use cleaner, which is very, very beneficial. So if I add this to this cleaning basket, it's going to be amazing and they will see the use of it. It has every instructions on there how to use it. So this is one of the cleaning products that I will add because I use it myself. I know how it works. Then my favorite one that I want to add also is the Awesome. Awesome is my number one go-to cleaning product that I have at my home. It cleans anything. Anything. As long as you read the instructions, you can use it on anything. And I will tell you, from your kitchen to your bathroom to outside to your tools to rust, anything that is filthy, dirty, this works like magic and it's my go-to. So I will definitely add this to my house cleaning gift idea basket. So we are just going to wrap this in. And we have our basket here, and we're just going to put this on the side here like that. I'm going to put our Awesome, and we just wrap our Awesome in here. Okay. And then just our Lysol in here as well. And then we just add these to the basket. And this here too as well. The next thing that I'm going to add to our house cleaning supply gift idea is this dishwashing gloves, because they might happen to be doing their dishes by hand sometimes, so this is handy for them that they can use. The next thing that I will add to this our housewarming gift idea basket is I'm going to add brush. Why? Because sometimes they can use this for taking off stains, hard stains. They can use this in their bathroom. They can use this to clean their bathtub, to scrub it, their sink. There is multiple use for this brush, so I'll add this as a gift idea to the basket. The next thing that I'll add to our house cleaning basket is a dryer sheet, because since I'm giving them a laundry detergent, I must as well add a dryer sheet to it. That will help whenever they are doing their laundry. They can also add this to their dryer. They can use this to their clothes when they are drying them to give them more smells and all that. So I'm adding this to the basket as well. Another thing that I'll add to this house cleaning supply basket is going to be microfiber towels. This is very handy. This is multiple use, from your kitchen to your bathroom to anything, your bedroom. For anything dusting, it can be washed, dried, and reused. So it's something that they can use on and on and on, and it's very, very simple. It makes sense to add this to the house cleaning supply basket. And our final cleaning product that we are going to add to this house cleaning, housewarming gift idea for cleaning is scent, odor eliminator. This is very, very handy. You don't see this in many stores. This is really good. If you have smoke smell in your home, you just open this up and then let it, and it will just fill the room, takes any smokes, any smells. You can put this in your closet. If you have like your shoes or anything that is smelling in your closet, you can put this in there, and you see it makes a lot of difference in your bedroom, in your bathroom, in your living room, anywhere in your home. You can use this in. It smells good. It has a really good scent to it, so it takes off any odor that will be, or a smoke odor. If you have you cook something and it's burnt, and you have that burnt smoke in your home, just open this up and you will see in a few minutes you start seeing the difference. Takes all the scent off. So this will be something that I will add to my house cleaning supply basket idea. So this, I'm just going to wrap this and then our brush, just to make it presentable. The glove doesn't need to be wrapped, so we'll leave this out unwrapped. Our microfiber towel doesn't need to be wrapped either. The last thing we will wrap is our odor eliminator. Okay. Alright, now that we have wrapped all these, we are just going to add this to the basket. I'm going to put this right here. And then my brush is going to be right on top here. And then our scent is going to be right here. Just bring some things out like that, holding each other. And then my microfiber towel is just going to be sitting right in the middle here. And then my dishwashing gloves is just going to be put right in here. Just like that. And as you can see, we just put together a very simple, easy house cleaning supply product, ideas for a housewarming or for a friend. And this just looks so simple. This is something that you can give, and you know everything in here is going to be used. It's really going to be used. So this is some of the ideas that you can put in when you are putting together, whether it's a birthday ideas or whether it's a housewarming ideas, whether it's a wedding ideas. You have to make it in a way that anything that you give is something that will be really used. So we can see this. This is lovely house cleaning, put together, very simple house cleaning product ideas that can be given for a housewarming, even for anybody. So I like this. This is really good. This is really nice. Hello friends, so I just show you how to put together a very simple and easy house cleaning supply gift ideas for a housewarming. This can be given to anyone in your family. And let's take a look at our final product. And just look at how everything looks like. Everything here is something that is going to be very useful. Everything that I put in this basket is something that I use myself, which I know, which will be needed for any home. This is something that I use myself, so I know they are very essential, a house cleaning supply essentials that anyone will have at their home. So that's how I put this together, and this is really simple to put together. Everything in here is going to be used, so just think of that when you are putting together a gift basket. And we can see everything that we have in here. I love this basket. I love it so much because I know they will love everything in here. So when it comes to a house cleaning supply gift basket, when it comes to what can I put as a gift in a gift basket for cleaning, if it comes to a housewarming cleaning gift basket ideas, if it comes to the best cleaning product gift ideas, I just show you in this video how you can just make a very simple house cleaning basket ideas for a housewarming, for a friend, for anyone. It's very simple to put together. Just think of what do you use yourself that you think will be useful for whoever you give it to, and that will give you so many ideas to put things together like this. There are so many cleaning products that you can put together. One, it can solely be for a bathroom cleaning product. You can do that theme alone, and that is also incredible, very good that they will use, and you know that they will enjoy having that as a gift. You can also go with a theme for a kitchen, only a kitchen cleaning product, and that will be good as well. A laundering product. The ideas are unlimited. So if you just think a little bit and see what you yourself use, and that will give you ideas to put together something simple. And you can see in this video we put 11 best cleaning products that I use myself, that I know they will love and they will like. So I hope this video helps you. If you are thinking of what can I put together as a house cleaning product for a housewarming, as a housewarming gift basket ideas, I just give you some ideas. I just show you this, and I hope this will help you. My name is Florence at florencestraka.com. If you have any questions, or if you have any house cleaning gift ideas in a product, you can leave in the comment section below for me. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, so I can bring you more videos like this. Thank you for watching my videos. And if you want to learn how to put together a very simple housewarming gift ideas in terms of kitchen or breakfast ideas, watch the next videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on those videos. Take care. Bye.